Imagine standing on the edge of space, staring at the most powerful object in the universe, a black hole. Now imagine falling in. What would happen to your body, your mind, and even time itself? The answer is stranger and scarier than science fiction. Black holes are cosmic monsters. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. The pull of a black hole is so strong, not even light can escape. That's why they look like a dark hole in space, surrounded by glowing gas and dust. At first, nothing seems unusual. If you're far away, the black hole looks harmless, almost invisible. But the closer you move, the more its gravity takes control. It bends light, warps space, and even slows down time. It's like approaching a cosmic whirlpool, silent, invisible, unstoppable. Every black hole has an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Once you cross it, there's no going back. Not even a spaceship at the speed of light could escape. To an outside observer, you would appear frozen at the edge, moving slower and slower until you vanish. But from your perspective, you fall right through without noticing. This is where things get terrifying. The black hole's gravity pulls on your body unevenly. Your feet are closer, so they get tugged harder than your head. The result? You stretch like spaghetti. Scientists actually call this process spaghettification. At first, it feels like an invisible force, pulling every cell apart. Then your body begins to thin into a long, fragile thread of atoms. Inside a black hole, the laws of physics twist. To an outside viewer, time seems to stop for you at the event horizon. But for you, time continues normally as you fall. It's like living in two different timelines at once. For the universe, you are frozen forever. For you, the nightmare is still moving forward. At the center of every black hole lies the singularity, a point of infinite density. Here, gravity crushes matter into something we can't even describe. The laws of physics break down completely. No one knows what truly happens when you reach the singularity. Do you get destroyed instantly? Do you enter another universe? Or do you cease to exist entirely? It's one of the greatest mysteries in science. The short answer is no, at least not with our current understanding. The forces inside a black hole are beyond anything the human body can endure. Even the strongest spaceship would be ripped apart atom by atom, but some theories suggest there might be a way. Certain black holes, especially the supermassive ones at the centers of galaxies, might have gentler tidal forces. That means, for a brief moment, you could actually survive crossing the event horizon. You wouldn't notice the exact moment you pass the point of no return. But survival would only delay the inevitable. Here's where science gets wild. Some physicists believe black holes could connect to other parts of the universe through wormholes. If true, falling in might spit you out somewhere else in space or even another universe entirely. Others suggest black holes slowly leak information through something called Hawking radiation. That means, in a strange way, a piece of you could escape after all, though not in the form you'd recognize. Remember, to someone watching from far away, you would never actually fall in. Instead, you'd appear to hover on the edge, frozen in time, slowly fading as your light stretched into infinity. It's a haunting thought, your last moment, captured forever at the rim of darkness. So why even ask the question? Because black holes are more than cosmic nightmares. They are laboratories of the universe. By studying them, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of time, space, and maybe even the origin of the universe itself. In other words, black holes may hold the answers to the biggest questions in existence. So what happens if you fall into a black hole? Your body stretches, your time slows, and your fate vanishes into mystery. It's terrifying, fascinating, and strangely beautiful. And maybe, just maybe, the inside of a black hole is not the end, but the beginning of something we can't yet imagine. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, share it with someone who loves space, and subscribe, because we've got even crazier science mysteries coming your way.